So if you're on the market searching for the best padded shorts that you have for bicycle, snowboarding, skateboarding, or even electric unicycle, I have here the two options that Xion Protective Gear have to offer you. Which ones are my favorite? I have already crashed using one of them. What was my experience using 3DO armor when I crashed at 40 kilometers per hour? If you want to know everything, stay tuned until the end of the video. So the first one that I have in my hands is the Protective Shorts Elite Plus. Is not easy for me to say this name. On the front you are going to find the logo of the company. You have these big pads, they are going to cover the sides of your legs. You have a massive pad to protect your coccyx, and you have also other pads on the sides protecting your legs. They sent me these ones because I was having some issues with the other ones, but I'll tell you what it is and what that one is better than this one, and maybe is the best for you. This one is the protective shorts. On the sides you are not going to find that massive protections on your leg. You have this one that is slightly bigger on one of the sides, and by the way, it was with this one that I crushed. The side, obviously, you are going to find also the logo of the company, but when we look to the back, and maybe this can be a massive difference for you, you are going to find this massive protection also to your coccyx, and you are going to find these two ones on the bottom. So if you are using when you are cycling, this is going to give you some protections there and it will feel more comfortable. On the sides, like I said, is slightly bigger than these ones. Like you can see, they are slightly different, the shape. So this one is a little bit longer on the Elite Plus, this one is a little bit wider, but it's normal because this one is going to have this extra one protecting your leg. Very easy to wash. You have this hose here, you take off your 3DO, and if you never use 3DO, this is what is used in jackets for motorcycling. Very flexible, like you can see, but when you suffer an impact, well, when you suffer an impact, it gets harder. So this is one of the best technology if you want comfort and if you want protection. In my case, I fall with my electric unicycle at 40 kilometers per hour. Many times when you fall with an electric unicycle, you are going to fall on the front and normally on the side. If I was using electric skateboards, I'll be using this one. If I was using bikes, I'll be using this one, but for electric unicycles, I think this one will be better. Even if this one is not so tall, so if this protection is not as tall as the other one, it's a little bit longer. What I would like to see in the next generation is obviously even a bit more of 3DO in the front, because we fall a lot of times on our sides. Another thing, just to point it out, that this one is better for me, the waist here is more tight. So for the size of my legs, I really need this size. So if I was going a little bit smaller, it will not fit me. Before we finish, I want just to talk a little bit more about the crush and what was the experience using the Xion Protective Gear. This really saved my life. I'm not saying that I was going to die if I had that crush without protections, but definitely I basically didn't felt anything. On the knees and shins, I was using some protections from them, and I have already reviewed on the channel, so if you want to check it, definitely go to the description, but I didn't felt there anything. When we talk about my butt and my legs, I was feeling well. The only thing was here on the sides, because I was not using this one that have two pads. I felt because I hit also the floor, and there I didn't have a 3DO to protect. If you fall a lot on the sides, I think that the Elite Plus is better for you. On my arms, I was using a shirt that really soon I will review on the channel, or maybe when you are seeing this video, I have already reviewed, and I was using a full face helmet. It's in those moments, if you fall and you are using this type of protections, you are smiling when you are falling. All these products from Xion, they are 10% off. If you have any questions about their products, please leave in the comments below. What you think about D3O armor? Many times I say 3DO, I don't know why, I'm always confusing, but what is your opinion about this technology? Do you like it? Do you use it already? I would love to know. But yeah, if it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face, and I hope to see you in the next one.